When traveling to the schools in American Samoa, our main goal was to engage with the students by sharing our knowledge of ROVs and why we use them. In order to do this, we had to share our love for the oceans and how ROVs can be used to keep our oceans healthy. Within 3 days, we visited 8 schools and reached 1,000 students. In order to accomplish this challenge, we had to split our team into 2 groups, one which presented to the schools while the other worked on the boat to deploy the ROV and camera system.
We wanted the students in American Samoa to know that they can do everything we can do considering the ocean is in their backyard.
Our first step in the process of sharing our knowledge with the students was helping them better understand the importance of ROVs.
So what we did is we built a control system and helped them build a propulsion system. Not only that, we also built a frame and then put all the components together to make their very own ROV.
In order to make the students better understand an ROV, we worked side by side with them through the process of building one. Each InvenTeam member was paired up with a group of 4 American Samoan students from each of the 12 schools throughout the islands.
One thing that surprised me when we traveled to American Samoa was how well our InvenTeam members were able to work with American Samoa students.
After getting to know each other and having a finished ROV, it was time to put it in the water.
After all the teams were done with their ROV, we ended up going to Sadie's and putting them in the pool and having their very own mini competition.
We wanted the students to build their own ROV programs so that they could, at some point, conduct their own underwater studies. The Stockbridge InvenTeam reached around 55 students by the end of the workshop. The workshop has inspired every high school in American Samoa to start their own underwater ROV program. All in all, the workshop was a great way to not only work with the students from American Samoa using STEM, but also learning about each other's culture.